Are you over 60 and planning your next flight? What if I told you there are sky secrets that can save you money, reduce stress, and keep you more comfortable than most passengers on the plane? Stay tuned. Your next flight can be smoother than ever. Hi, and welcome back. Today, we are sharing the top senior sky secrets you should know before your next flight. These insider tips cover everything from packing hacks, airport shortcuts, TSA security policies, health tricks, and even some airline perks you didn't know existed. Whether you're traveling for family visits, bucket list adventures, or even just short domestic trips, these travel tips are designed to keep seniors flying stress-free. Let's be honest, air travel today can feel overwhelming for anyone, but it can be especially challenging for seniors. Long lines at check-in and security, confusing airports, heavy luggage, and uncomfortable seats all add unnecessary stress. Add to that health concerns like leg cramps, dehydration, or fatigue, and the journey can seem more tiring than the destination. But here's the good news. With the right planning, you can enjoy senior air travel with ease, comfort, and confidence. Let's uncover the step-by-step secrets. Tip 1. Book smart. Book early. When choosing your flights, timing matters. Early morning flights usually face fewer delays, and airports are less crowded. If you're worried about turbulence, mid-morning flights are usually smoother. Seniors should also consider airlines with senior traveler programs. Some carriers still offer discounted fares if you call and ask. Tip 2. Choosing the right seat. Don't leave seating to chance. For mobility, aisle seats are best. If you need to rest or don't want frequent disruptions, go for the window. Seat selection can make hours of difference in comfort. Check Seat Guru or similar apps to see seat layouts and read reviews before booking. Tip 3. Pack light but smart. Your carry-on is your lifeline during flights. Think senior travel essentials, mobility aids, water bottle, light snacks, prescriptions, eye mask, and reading material. A collapsible walking stick or foldable cane is airline approved and makes long terminal walks easier. One smart hack: pack an empty insulated mug. Flight attendants will happily fill it with water or tea, keeping your drink warm or cool longer. Tip 4. Digital preparation. Before you leave home, download your airline's app. These apps do more than hold boarding passes. They give real-time updates, upgrade opportunities, and even digital baggage tracking. If you're traveling internationally, download Google Translate and offline maps too. These are underrated senior travel hacks that work like magic once you're on the move. Here's the biggest secret: airlines already have tools to make your journey easier, but many seniors don't know about them. For example, requesting airport assistance services. With one call before your trip, you can arrange meet and greet assistance, wheelchair aid, priority check-in, even help getting luggage off the carousel. This doesn't just save energy, it keeps you safe from slips or heavy lifting. It's available at almost every airport, but only if you request it in advance. Tip 5. Master airport navigation. Big airports can feel like mazes. If you're worried about distance between gates, most airports offer courtesy shuttle carts. Don't struggle walking. Ask an airport staff member, and they'll direct you. Also, airports like Atlanta, Dubai, or Delhi have moving walkways designed to help cover distances with ease. Tip 6. TSA and security hacks for seniors. For passengers over 75, TSA allows simpler screening. Shoes and jackets can stay on. If you use medical devices like pacemakers, let the officer know before the scan. They'll often use an alternate pat-down method. TSA pre-check is worth it. Short lines, shoes stay on, and laptops don't need removing. Think of it as a VIP lane for stress-free flying. Tip 7. Food and hydration essentials. Did you know airplane air is drier than the Sahara Desert? That's why seniors often feel extra thirsty mid-flight. Carry a hydration kit, refillable bottle, electrolyte packets, and light snacks like nuts or granola bars. Not all airlines serve food anymore, so don't rely on in-flight meals. Smart snacks equal comfort plus energy. Tip 8. Maximize comfort in the air. Compression socks are senior travelers' best-kept secret. They reduce swelling and lower the risk of deep vein thrombosis (DVT. Pair that with small seat stretches every 60 minutes, ankle rolls, leg lifts, and shoulder shrugs. These mini movements make long flights a lot easier on your body. Tip 9. Entertainment and relaxation strategy. Don't let long flights drag. Load an audiobook, relaxing music, or even a favorite TV show before your trip. Many seniors also carry a lightweight tablet instead of books to save weight. A soft travel blanket or pashmina doubles up as warmth and a pillow. Tip 10. Restroom access and mobility tips. Always choose a seat not too far from the restroom, but avoid the very last row, which is noisier. If you need to get up often, aisle seats work best. On very long flights, stand and walk for a few minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Your body will thank you. Bonus senior travel secrets. Travel insurance must-have. Canceled flight, lost luggage, medical issue abroad. One call to your travel insurance can save thousands. Seniors especially benefit because health incidents are unpredictable. Money and safety hacks. Use an RFID blocking wallet. Keep a small emergency cash stash separate from your main wallet. Post-flight recovery trick. Once you land, avoid rushing. Take a few minutes to stretch before heading to baggage claim. A gentle walk helps your body adjust after hours of sitting. So, there you have it. From smarter booking to comfort hacks, airport services, and in-flight strategies, these senior sky secrets can transform your travel experience from stressful to enjoyable. Instead of dreading flights, you can actually look forward to the journey itself. If you found these senior travel tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more senior travel essentials, and share this video with a friend or family member who's planning their next trip. Safe travels, and may your next flight truly be your best one yet.